Yo, what is up, everybody? Happy Thursday. Ben Mario here, and today I will be reviewing some red painted wheels. So we'll know the truth about these wheels. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that shit. This video is just strictly my opinion. I am not being paid for this video. Of course I'm not gonna be paid for this video because it's not a good review. So X that. Anyway, let's jump right into it and get started on reviewing these red painted wheels. So stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in to Ben Mario. Alright, you can see where the paint has started to chip already. Now please keep in mind now, these chips happen during the first week of these rims being installed on the car. Now I haven't had any curb rashes, haven't scratched them, anything, and this what I've noticed after week 1. Brand new. So I do not recommend these red painted rims. Now the second reason is the paint fades. Now don't get me wrong. Now if you want these rims so far as like something for a show, these rims are perfect, but everyday daily driving, I would not recommend these red painted wheels. And you'll know the truth and you make a decision before you purchase these wheels. Think about purchasing these wheels, or already have these wheels and know someone that has these wheels, then maybe you can comment on this. Hey, I'm just saying, I don't want to knock anybody. You know, we all have our opinions. I'm just giving you my honest review on these wheels. So with that being said, see you on the next video. Peace.